Rose plants are generally easy to grow, but for beginners, they can sometimes be tricky. In this video, we will discuss a few secret growing tips for rose plants. By following these tips, you can keep your rose plant healthy and growing well. So let's begin, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. The first and the most important rose plant growing tip is understanding the growing season. The growing season is extremely important for rose plants. If the environmental temperature is not ideal, your rose plant will struggle throughout the season. That's why understanding the correct season is the key. Rose plants prefer cooler climates. They grow best in temperatures below 25 degrees Celsius and slightly above 5 degrees Celsius. Within this temperature range, your rose plant grows at its peak, fights diseases naturally, and remains most active. If you live in a cold climate region where winters are very harsh and temperatures drop below 5 degrees Celsius, you should keep your rose plants indoors during winters. In your region, roses will grow very fast during the summer season. On the other hand, if you live in a moderate or temperate climate region where winters are cool but not extremely cold and temperatures do not fall below 8 to 10 degrees Celsius, you can safely grow rose plants throughout winter. Start growing them as early as winter begins and they will continue growing through spring. In your region, the summer season becomes the dormancy period for roses because temperatures go beyond the ideal range. So always follow the temperature range. Whenever the temperature stays within this range for days or months, it is the best time to grow roses. Fertilize them, prune them, and place them outdoors for proper growth. Hope you got the idea. Another very important rose plant growing tip is choosing the ideal location. Even if the growing season is ideal, keeping your rose plant in shade will prevent proper growth. Sunlight is essential for producing new leaves, buds, and flowers. With sunlight, plant leaves produces food for the plant. Therefore, always place your rose plant in a sunny spot. Sunlight during the growing season is especially beneficial. You can even place your plant in full day sunlight. With proper sunlight, pest attacks are reduced, overwatering issues decreases, soil dries properly, the plant produces more buds and flowers. Make sure your rose plant receives at least 2 to 4 hours of direct sunlight daily. Another important rose plant growing tip is soil media. Soil media plays a crucial role in the overall health and growth of rose plants. A loose, fertile, well-draining, and slightly acidic soil promotes excellent growth. In hard and compact soil, yellow leaves and curly leaves may appear. Poorly draining soil increases the chances of dieback disease, fungal infections, and root rot. Protect your rose plant from such issues by using the right soil media. You can also make an ideal soil media for your rose plant at home by mixing a few ingredients. A detailed video guide on this is added in the description box. Follow it and don't forget to subscribe for more videos. Another important rose plant growing tip is proper pruning technique. Pruning is very healthy for rose plants, especially during the growing season. However, many people don't understand the correct way to prune. Using the proper pruning method is very important, otherwise the plant may start dying or show signs of dieback disease. This doesn't mean pruning should be avoided. Pruning is extremely beneficial. It promotes new leaves, more buds, better airflow, and helps protect the plant from pests. Always follow the correct pruning method. I have also done a video on rose plant pruning guide in the description box. Feel free to check it out. One key factor for healthy rose plants is proper fertilization. Fertilizing roses is essential. Without fertilization, the plant struggles because nutrients are required to produce leaves, buds, and flowers. Fertilizer is like food for plants. Healthy nutrition leads to a healthy plant that blooms well. For rose plant, always use a fertilizer rich in balanced nutrients. Make sure it contains trace elements as they promote strong growth. Rose plants need a wide range of nutrients at all times. Deficiency of even a single nutrient can stunt growth and cause yellow leaves, patchy leaves, curled leaves, and dieback disease. During active growth, fertilize your rose plant every 2 to 4 weeks to maintain healthy growth without disease issues. You can also prepare a good flowering fertilizer at home using kitchen-based ingredients. A video guide on this homemade flower fertilizer is added in the description box. Use it occasionally to keep the soil fertile. It is very common for rose plants to grow well, produce leaves, buds, and flowers, then suddenly stop flowering or show stunted growth. This often happens due to pest attacks. Pests are always present in the soil and the environment, so prevention is a necessity. You can use a good pesticide occasionally. Roses are sensitive plants, unlike many hardy plants. You should use Neem spray once a week, even if pests are not visible. You can also add a small amount of neem cake to the soil to prevent fungal issues. You can also learn about neem cake and neem oil from the description box. This is all about rose plant care tips. Feel free to follow this guide on rose plant pruning tips and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.